Hi focus friends, in this video I'll share with you 2 surprising findings from research studies on ADHD and mindfulness and give you 7 ADHD-friendly ways to build this skill. Hi focus friends, it's Aron and Winston here on Hidden ADD, where you get the tools, insights, and science-backed strategies you need to live the life of your dreams if you have or might have non-hyperactive ADD or a hyperactive kitty. If you're new here, consider joining the exclusive 1K club of the channel's first 1,000 subscribers. So, is mindfulness training good for ADHD? The research says probably. I've personally had an on-again, off-again relationship with mindfulness meditation. However, 2 weeks ago, I signed up for a 45-day intensive meditation challenge, which I'll mention in the resources section of this video. I finished the program in mid-November. If you'd like me to make a video about my experience and the results, let me know in the comments below. So, to look at the 2 surprising research findings on ADHD and mindfulness, let's look at a 2014 study. 50 adults with ADHD were randomly divided into a mindfulness training group or a waitlist control group. In the mindfulness training group, they did an 8-week mindfulness-based cognitive therapy structured program. The participants filled out ADHD questionnaires and scales both before and after the intervention. And the 2 surprising outcomes were that on self-reported measures of inattention, the mindfulness group showed significant improvement compared to the control group. And on the self-report measures around hyperactivity and impulsivity, the mindfulness training group also showed significant improvement compared to the control group. Similar results show up in other studies of mindfulness with ADHD. The limitations are, as you heard, these are based on self-report scales, and the study sizes have been small with a limited number of participants. That said, the findings point in the right direction, and if you're looking at ways to be your best ADD self, then you should strongly consider mindfulness meditation. So let's talk about 7 ADHD-friendly ways that you can develop your mindfulness muscle. And let me and other viewers know what strategies have worked for you down in the comments below. Okay, so I divided the strategies into 2 main categories: self-paced versus structured program. Strategy number 1, read the mindfulness prescription for adult ADHD. It's written by Lydia Zylowska, who's one of the leading researchers in this space. Option number 2, use one of the popular apps like Calm, Headspace, and the many others. You'll be looking at around $70 per year. Now I'm going to go into the 4 options under the structured program strategy. These are what I would recommend for people with ADHD. This is what I do for myself. After years and years of trying to do self-paced training, I found that the majority of the times that I ever made any significant progress in anything, it was always from having some sort of structure that had accountability and other resources built in. For those reasons, structure, accountability, social support, I highly recommend the structured program path if you're serious about wanting to build a mindfulness meditation practice. 1, search online for any mindfulness or meditation training programs in your area. They'll typically be 8 weeks long, occasionally longer, but you're looking for something that has some level of structure. Option 2 is to sign up for the 8-week mindfulness-based stress reduction program. I've got a link down below, but they deliver the program remotely. It's a very established, well-researched protocol with great results, and the 8-week program will set you back around $650. Option 3 under the structured program would be to look at Transcendental Meditation. Tim Ferriss, author of The 4-Hour Workweek and other bestsellers, who is great at getting stuff done, said that he never had a consistent meditation practice until he had the accountability that the Transcendental Meditation course gave him. It'll set you back between $5,000 to around $1,000. It's stratified based on income level, and there's a link in the description below. Lastly, option 7, it's the one I'm doing now. This is really only for more advanced practitioners, but I'm gonna include a link because I'm enjoying it so much already, and I think it's great for other people to at least be aware of this program. So it's the 45 Days to Awakening Challenge. It's run by Dr. Jeffrey A. Martin, and it's basically 45 days of 1 hour meditation daily, as well as additional practices, and it'll set you back around $250. So what mindfulness resources or strategies have worked for you? Post them down in the comments below for the benefit of all the viewers, and I will see you in the next video.